5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The essential ingredients of a valid attestation are that there must be two or more witnesses in all cases where a document is required by the attack to be attested. Stop. Each witness must have signed either after seeing the executant sign or affix his thumb mark to the instrument or seeing some other person signing the instrument in the presence and by the direction of the executant or receiving personal acknowledgement of his signature or mark or of the signature of such other person from the executant's stop. Each of the two attesting witnesses must have signed the instrument in the presence of the executant's stop. Conditional transform is given in section 25 stop. According to the section 25, an interest credited on a transfer of property and dependent upon a condition fails in the fulfillment of the condition is impossible or is forbidden by law or is of such a nature that if it is permitted, it would defeat the provisions of any law, or is fraudulent, or involves or implies injury to the person or property of another, or the court regards it as immoral or opposed to public policy. Stop. Ram gives rupees 500 to Mohan on condition that he shall marry his daughter Mary. Stop. At the date of transfer, Mary was dead. Stop. The transfer is void as fulfillment of the condition is impossible. Stop. Transfer of a right to collect and for 1 year from the river bed is immovable property because it amounts to profit a person. Stop. This sand also includes the future sand which will be deposited in the riverbed. Stop. A right to pluck or collect leaves for a period of 10 years from a forest is an immovable property because the leaves will continue to derive nutrition from the soil over a period of 10 years. Stop. A person who has no title or interest in an immovable property, he cannot transfer that property to. If he does so, the transfer is by an authorized person to. Section 43 provides that if a person having no authority to transfer an immovable property, then he is stopped from denying the transfer when he acquires such authorities to. If a person promises more than he can perform, then he must fulfill the promise when he gets ability to do so. If he never gets the authority to transfer, then this would not apply to. A transfer made with